Hi, this is Training for All. Today I'm going to show you how to show word count in a Microsoft document. Welcome to this basic Microsoft Word tutorial. These tutorials will help you how with the basic that you need to know in order to be able to use Microsoft Word. Now to show the word count in a Microsoft Word document, you need to go to Tools and then click on word count, and you see it show you how many words you have, how many characters with no spaces, characters with spaces, paragraphs, lines, and so on. Thank you for watching this video. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, please do subscribe so that you don't miss any of our videos. Don't forget also to share and also to comment. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.